test its quality. The Consumer's Digest Best Car from Chevrolet. And it's the best car when
Who's that? Send their documents online to the UPS. And thousands more bring them 300 convenient locations. We're the nation's largest purchase
Okay, let's tell Puck Dog he needs to wipe his butt.
That was on video, Dad. Thanks.
Oh.
Dad has been saving people money on car insurance for over 70 years. And who doesn't want value for their dollar? Been true since the day I made my first dollar.
He's on the phone.
I want to show you.
was it Shane Roll and Wrinkly?
Yeah, you saw it? Okay, Chris. Gotta go. 15 minutes. 15% more.
Is she busy or what? Did you get a couple of pictures?
I'm videoing her.
Oh, okay.
But on the Norwegian Pearl, miles from shore, it's a catastrophe.
What do you got there, Gil?
The alarms are sounding on deck 3. And 9 stories up, the bridge is on high alert.
Well, she really figured that out.
What's the nature of the fire and the extent?
It's chaos in the middle of the ocean. But thankfully, this was only a test.
Girls, you would be dead.